Hello. All right. This is my Calc BC class, and I'm going to the higher technology right here to try and solve for. So we're still chapter 7, and we are doing integration by parts. I'm trying to look at the question I did. It's the cosine one, right? Okay, so this was actually example 6 from the notes, and then there's a couple of them that are similar to this. So my problem, let me know if I'm actually off the screen, okay? So it's integration of e to the 2x cosine of 3x dx. So in this case right here, my u is going to be e to the 2x, and then my du is 2e to the 2x. Can you guys see that pretty well?
Yeah.
In like middle of the screen, the camera actually gets weird because it's the graphite. Yeah, it reflects. So I'll change it to a pen here. All right, my dv. So my dv is going to be, my dv is going to be cosine of 3x dx. So we're integrating this piece right here. So it's going to be v equals, now remember from yesterday, it's like a u sub again for this little piece. So it comes out to like 1/3 cosine of 3x. Now I'm going to plug it in, so I'm going to have my uv.
Shouldn't it be sine?
Yes.
Oh, you're right, I'm sorry. Thank you. Someone make himself a cookie. I still haven't got candy because I'm waiting till after Valentine's Day to clean up on, leftover candy corn.
Be mine candy.
Yeah. So there you go. No, it's a Thin Mint.
I thought you told me the top of an Oreo.
Oh, even better.
You break up the Oreo into the chocolate bits.
Yes, I know. You know Oreos are vegan.
Eat dog.
Yeah.
Anyways.
Anyways. All right. So my formula is going to be my UV. So I'm going to actually put these together, but I'm going to put the 1/3 in front to make it a little bit easier because I know these two are multiplying together. So it's going to be 1/3 of e to the 2x sine of 3x. There's my UV minus the integration of, my v, which is going to be 1/3 sine of 3x, and now my dx part, which is over here, which is going to be 2e to the 2x. Yeah, there was a dx here, I forgot that one. And dx right there. All right, I'm going to clean this up. I'm going to clean it up because I want to have everything over here, because I want to take the coefficient, I want to take the number out of the front. Okay, so in this case it would be a 2/3, right?
Yes.
So I have a 2/3. So let's bring it back down. 1/3 e to the 2x sine of 3x minus 2/3 integration of my e to the 2x sine of 3x dx. Now in this case right here, I got this first part out here, okay. This part over here is the issue now. Now it's a little nasty thing, okay? I don't like that. So I'm going to do it again. So if I'm going to do this again, I need to actually keep going with what I have. So same thing, my u is going to be e to the 2x. My du is 2e to the 2x. My dv is going to be, where am I at? Right here. So sine of 3x dx. So my v, crap, I keep forgetting dx on this thing. So anyway, on this one right here. Okay, so v is equal to, that's going to be a negative cosine, right? So it's negative 1/3 cosine of 3x. So now again, so all this right here all this line down here is just gonna be this part right here, so it's just this part right here. Eventually, I'm gonna have to still put this back in to here, because I'm keep working out this little piece. So all this is just this, okay, that goes there. So now, I'm gonna work that, so I'm gonna end up with, okay, so I'm gonna do it again, so now it's gonna be my UV, it's gonna be negative, right? 1/3, and that's e to the 2x cosine of 3x, right?
Yes.
Okay, so from here I have that minus the integration of, that's gonna give me what? So again, my negative 2/3, right?
Yes.
So negative 2/3 of, let's see, e to the 2x cosine of 3x dx. Now I'm gonna factor out this little nasty piece right here, okay? I'm gonna factor that out, so it's gonna go in front of my integrand. So it's negative 1/3 e to the 2x cosine of 3x plus 2/3 of integration e to the 2x cosine of 3x dx. So all of this is just right here in red. Yes? Okay, so just in red. So now in front of that integrand right there is a 2/3, right? Okay, so I have to account for that also. So all that is actually supposed to be in front of this. Okay? Do you guys agree? All that's so this is gonna be in front of all of that, because when I did this, using this method I have here. Now, I'm gonna rewrite, and I'm gonna bring everything down. I'm gonna bring it all down here. So, I'm gonna start off with my function. Okay, where did I start off? So, it's gonna be my integral of e to the 2x cosine of 3x dx is equal to, so remember we started right here, so it's 1/3 e to the 2x sine of 3x, right, minus 2/3, okay, I'm gonna bracket that, I'm gonna bracket, and now all of this right here in red is all this, yes?
Yep.
Okay, so now from here, I'm gonna bring this down, so it's negative 1/3 e to the 2x cosine of 3x and plus 2/3 of my integrand of e to the 2x cosine of 3x dx. Am I off? Okay, there we go. Okay.
Oh, beautiful.
Okay, so let's do the distribution. Okay, I'm gonna have to distribute this one. So it's gonna be, again, my integral e to x cosine of 3x dx equals 1/3 e to the 2x sine of 3x. This is going to become a plus 2/9, right? Okay, so 2/9 of e to the 2x cosine of 3x, and now it's going to become a minus, right? 4/9 of my integrand of e to the 2x cosine of 3x dx.
Jeez.
Okay, so we're at the point where the everything changes it. Okay, it seems like you're like, what the am I doing now? Okay, so is this the same as my original? Those are the same, right? So it's the same integral, right? So what I'm gonna do is, this is where I said when you get back to the beginning, it's gonna cancel out. So what I'm gonna do here, algebra, I'm gonna add 4/9, my integral of e to the 2x cosine of 3x dx to both sides of my equation. So I added that to both sides, right? They're the same thing, right? So what am I gonna write for this one right here? If I'm gonna add them together, what am I gonna put right there? 9/9, right? So just for the sake of 9/9, my one guy that watches from Sweden. Okay, so 9/9 plus 4/9 gives me 13/9. So I'm gonna have 13/9 integral of e to the 2x cosine of 3x dx is equal to, now since I subtracted this away, right, I added the opposite, I took it off of this side, I'm left with it back over here, so I get 1/3 e to the 2x sine of 3x plus 2/9 e to the 2x cosine of 3x, right? So, if you notice, I took off that integrand, that whole integral over here, it's now gone, right? This piece is now gone, so I almost have my answer here. The reason why I say almost answer,
You need to divide by next.
I get a divide by, okay, 13/9, right? So, or multiply by the reciprocal. Multiply both by 9/13.
So 3e2x plus 2e2x.
Right? Multiply both sides by 9/13. So on the left-hand side, that cancels, so I'm left with the integral e to the 2x cosine of 3x dx is equal to, as I distribute that, what's going to happen?
That's gonna become 3/13.
3/13, right? E to the 2x sine of 3x plus, that's going to be 2/13 e to the 2x cosine of 3x. Now, this is why I said I wanted it on paper. You know, I like my graph paper. You know, it works out very well because I like, you know, keeping the lines and all that. And it looks weird if I have it on the board like that. So, if you notice, I had everything going left to right. I'm accounting for everything as I'm moving down. I have algebraic steps. That's the big difference, that right here. When I just get back to the beginning of what my original was, then I move it back to the other side. I take off that integrand, right? It's going to cancel it out from that side, so I'm going to be left with here. It doesn't say there's no more integral over here, so that means this is going to be my answer. Does that make sense? Okay, so I think is that. Why do you got to do that to me right now? I'm out of cookies now.
When you do all that and you don't get any points. 'Cause
I know you got no points because you forgot the plus C.
Yikes! Thanks.
I wish I could have recorded that.
There's always that.
You know it is recorded, right?
No, like in my phone.
On your phone?
Yeah.
You know there's this
Yeah,
thing called
oh,
YouTube where you could actually have it right there.
Just be like, all these guys, just to get it wrong because I didn't put pussy.
So find that video, you know, screenshot that and meme it.
Yes.
All right, so
Internet viral again.
yep.
Math teacher utterly fails.
Because he forgot to put plus C.
Student destroyed.
Alright, okay, so I'm gonna let you guys go with that.